Carbonado are among the most mysterious and unique gemstones in the world. Unlike traditional diamonds, they have a polycrystalline structure, making them tougher, darker, and more porous. While professional testing is always the most reliable method, there are several ways you can examine a suspected black diamond at home. Number 1. Examine the surface and texture. Carbonado diamonds usually have a rough, matte, and porous surface. Unlike polished black diamonds, natural carbonado often looks like a piece of charcoal or volcanic rock. It may have tiny holes or pits. The surface is rarely smooth or shiny. It often appears irregular and uneven. If your stone looks too perfect or glossy, it might be treated or not a carbonado. Chart 2. Check the color. Natural carbonado diamonds are typically deep black, dark gray, sometimes slightly brownish. They usually don't reflect much light and may appear dull compared to traditional diamonds. 3. Perform the hardness test carefully. Diamonds are the hardest natural material, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale. Try this simple test. Scratch a piece of glass with a stone. A real diamond should leave a mark. Be careful. This test can damage surfaces and isn't 100% conclusive. Sure 4. Density and weight check. Carbonado diamonds feel heavier than most common stones of the same size. If it feels unusually light, it might not be real. Compare it with another stone of similar size, if possible. Star 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand high temperatures. Simple home method. Heat the stone briefly, e.g. with a lighter for a few seconds. Drop it into cold water. A real diamond should not crack. Warning. This test can damage fake stones or even treated diamonds. #6. Magnification test. Use a magnifying glass or smartphone zoom. Carbonado diamonds often show a grainy, compact structure. You may see tiny metallic inclusions. If the stone looks too clear or glass-like, it's likely not a natural carbonado. #7. Electrical conductivity advanced home test. Carbonado diamonds can conduct electricity slightly due to impurities like graphite. Using a diamond tester, if available, can help. Regular diamonds usually don't conduct electricity. Final advice. Home tests can give clues, but they are not definitive. Many fake stones can mimic some of these properties. For a confirmed result, consult a professional gemologist or use certified tools.